What's up, traders? We've got some cool new tool for you. Two secret trading view indicators that'll make trading a breeze. They'll scan the charts and point out the best trades for you, no matter if you're new or experienced. And this video will show you how to add these awesome tools to your chart. Set them up your way and use them like a pro. Alright, let's dive in and add the Darest Box Boy Cell indicator to your TradingView chart. Just follow these simple steps. Go ahead and click the Indicators tab. Next, search for the Darest Box Boy Cell in the search bar. Once find it, just click on it to add it to your chart. Great, you've added the Darest Box Boy Cell indicator to your chart. But hold on, we need to fine tune it before you start using it. Follow these steps to make the necessary adjustments. Head over to the indicator settings by clicking the gear icon. Now find the input section and change the length to 7. Don't worry about the style section, we're all good there. Now that you've customized the Darest Box Buy Sell indicator, it's time to put it in action. This powerful tool creates a dynamic channel on your chart with two lines, red and green, guiding you to potential buy and sell opportunities. When the candles break through the red line at the bottom of the channel, brace yourself for a bearish breakout. That's your signal to sell, and you'll see it clearly marked on chart. On the flip side, when the candle crosses the green line at the top of the channel, it's time to get bullish. A buy signal will pop up on the chart, giving you the green light to enter a long position. While the Darest Box Buy Sell indicator is a powerful tool, it may produce inaccurate signals during ranging markets. But fear not, we'll introduce another fantastic indicator to help confirm or dismiss these signals. Before we proceed, we want to emphasize our commitment to providing you with effective trading strategies using free indicators. Our goal is to empower traders to succeed without spending a fortune. If you like our approach, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe to our channel TradeGenius for more awesome trading tips. Now, let's add the second indicator called the Trend Quality Indicator to your TradingView chart. Just follow these simple steps. Begin by navigating to the Indicators tab on the platform. Then search for Trend Quality Indicator in the search bar. Once located, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Now that's successfully added, let's fine-tune the trend quality indicator to match your unique trading style and ensure it provides the most accurate signals for your strategy. Access the indicator settings by clicking the gear icon. Here's how you can do that. First, head over to the input section and turn off the B indicator option. Next, change the fast length to 7. And then the show length to 14. After that, adjust the trend length to 8. This will help the indicator work better with your trading strategy. Now move on to the style section. Here, you can tweak the colors to make them more appealing or easier to read. Just play around with the options until you find the color scheme that works for you. Alright, let's break it down in simple terms to help improve trading skills. When you're looking at the trend quality indicator, pay attention to the histogram's color and position relative to the zero level. This will give you insights into the trading momentum. If the histogram appears red, it indicates a strong bearish momentum. This means the market's energy is leading toward a downward trend. On the other hand, if you see the histogram turning white and hovering above the zero level, it's a sign of a strong bullish momentum. That means the market's picking up steam and moving in a positive direction. Now that you have the tools and know how to adjust them, let's discuss the trading rules and backtest the strategy. For a buy trade, first wait for a buy signal on the chart. Next, check the trend quality indicator for confirmation. You want to see a white histogram above the zero line. So, once both conditions are met, go ahead and enter the buy trade. To manage risk, set a stop loss order below the recent swing low or the red line. This will help limit potential losses if the trade doesn't go as planned. When it comes to exiting the trade with a profit, you have two options. Trail the stop loss using the red line, which means you'll keep adjusting your stop loss as the price moves in your favor. And for the second option, set a target at a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, meaning your potential reward should be 1.5 times greater than your risk. Now let's talk about the sell trade rules. First, wait for a sell signal on the chart. This is your cue to get ready for a potential sell trade. Next, you need confirmation from the trend quality indicator. Look for a red histogram below the zero line. If you see that, you have your confirmation. To manage risk, set a stop loss order above the recent swing high or the green line. This helps limit potential losses if the trade doesn't go as planned. And when it comes to exiting the trade with a profit, you have two options. Trail the stop loss using the green line, which means you'll keep adjusting your stop loss as the price moves in your favor. And for the second option, set a target at a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, meaning your potential reward should be 1.5 times greater than your risk. Alright, it's time to talk about backtesting results. We put this strategy to the test with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, taking 100 trades on the gold chart with a 15-minute time frame. And here's what we found. Out of 100 trades, 68% were winners. Not bad, right? The total profit came out to a whopping 100.5%. We ran the backtest over 11 weeks to cover a decent amount of time. The strategy had some impressive streaks. It scored 8 consecutive wins at one point. As for losses, the most we saw in a row was 4. But that's not all. Check out these other key stats. The profit factor, which compares profit to loss, was an awesome 3.14. The max drawdown, or the largest drops from peak to trough, was only 5.4%. Great, we've got a video recommendation just for you. It's all about a strategy that could help you find success in the market. Just look for the recommendation video on your screen and give it a click to unlock a wealth of knowledge. Trust me, it's worth your time.